हरिओम. मुखे मुंहिंजे सतगुरु ॾिनो सच्चो ज्ञान. A beautiful Sindhi bhajan. It's a divine song of awakening, gratitude, and inner transformation. This bhajan describes the journey of every seeker who, through the grace of a true guru, discovers that everything that he looked for in the outside world, God, love, peace, joy, was always within and all around him. Every verse of this bhajan unfolds a new layer of inner realization, from divine vision to inner union to liberation from suffering. Let's walk through this bhajan with all our heart, with deep reflection, and with sincere reverence for the infinite treasure that we have been graced with in the form of a true guru and satsang. मुखे मुंहिंजे सतगुरु ॾिनो सच्चो ज्ञान आ, अंदर ॿाहिरि हर अंध राम ॾिसां. My true guru, God on earth, has given me such infinite love that now I see only the divine everywhere. I am embraced by divine love every moment, within me, around me, in everyone, everything, everywhere. When we start experiencing this kind of infinite love all around us, it's the moment of awakening. When the Guru's infinite, unconditional love and light of spiritual knowledge dawns in our heart, separation ends. The Guru doesn't just give us knowledge, but infuses divine love in us. And that love is so deep that it transforms our vision. With a transformed vision, we no longer see any differences in the world. The world becomes a temple. Every being is a reflection of God, and every breath is devotion to God. This is true darshan in daily life, to see God in every heartbeat. साम्हूं विहारे ॾिनई मूंखे हथड़ियुनि जो त इशारो, जीव भाव कढी ॾेखारियईं आत्म पद प्यारो. ज़मीन आसमां मिली वियो ही जहाना. My Guru showered loving grace on me, made my mind still to be able to sit in satsang, where this pious place gave me a seat to sit in that sacred aura of a true Guru. It's rarest of the rarest to whom Mother Earth gives this place and a still mind to be able to sit in satsang, to be able to absorb Guru's vachans and to get transformed in that divine grace. A true Guru imparts divine wisdom, not just through words, but through gestures, conduct, and by their own example as a role model. A true Guru erases our false identity as a mere jeev or a human and establishes each one of us in our true seat, the seat of the soul, the seat of the pure, divine, eternal soul, where earth and sky meet, where Atma and Paramatma unite. The Guru doesn't merely teach or impart wisdom, but attracts us, inspires us, and transforms us. Through Guru's divine presence, through their silence, through the way they live day in and day out, the Guru awakens our remembrance of our true self. When we sit before such a divine energy, our false identities fall away and we awaken to our divine essence. That meeting point where the human and the divine merge, where the soul and the God unite, that is Atampad, the seat of oneness with the divine, the union of soul and God. हिक ज्ञान जे गोले सां भॻा मुंहिंजा भरम सभई भाई, वियो जात जनम विसरी कटियऊं कष्ट मुंहिंजा भारी. मूंखे इंसान मां कयो भॻवाना. With one ball of divine wisdom, all my illusions and wrong beliefs, wrong thinking just ran away. I forgot my differences of caste, creed, position. Even my memory of endless births and sorrows faded away. Through this magical knowledge, my Guru transformed me from Jeev to Shiv, from human to divine. This is the divine power of true Gyan, true spiritual knowledge. Just one drop of true wisdom can dissolve lifetimes of ignorance. The true Guru's grace and wisdom removes the illusion of separateness, that I am different from others, that I am different from God, I am separate from God, or that I am less, or that I am bound. All these illusions fall away in Guru's divine grace. Guru's grace reveals that all beings are one, all are divine sparks of the same flame. When the truth shines, pain disappears, ego dissolves, and what remains is divinity expressing itself through a human form. This is the miracle of life. A true Guru transforms a human into God. Human minus ego is God. Only a true Guru can take away, dissolve, and burn our ego to make us God, our true identity, our original identity, which was just covered by many layers of ego in this material world and through many births. This human birth is so precious when we've been graced with the true Guru who made us discover our true self and remove all these layers of ego. कृपा करे अवतार भगो बंदिखाने जो तालोआ व्या अज्ञा लिखा विसरी याद निरंकार जो नालोआ दर्दी दुखायल ते कयो एहसाना. By the grace of the true Guru, the very incarnation of God on earth, the lock of my bondage broke open. The karmic accounts of my past dissolved, my worries of future dissolved, and now I am only in the present moment in remembrance of the formless divine. What remains is only the divine. Everything else has got dissolved. For someone who was drowning in suffering, my Guru has shown me boundless mercy and turned my pain into eternal joy. This is the miracle of redemption and gratitude. The true Guru, as God's living embodiment, breaks the chains of our inner prison, the self-created bondage of desires, expectations, and ego. Guru breaks it open the moment we surrender to the Guru's wisdom. The Guru erases our karmic debts that bind us to the cycle of birth and death and frees us to live in divine remembrance, to live in the joy of a liberated life while we are alive. Jivan Mukti Ka Anand. To the one who was lost in pain, the Guru is the true compassion in action. Guru turns our suffering into wisdom, our grief into grace, and our restlessness into eternal peace. When divine presence every moment replaces every other thought, liberation is effortless. It's now and here. As God alone remains, there is nothing but God. The whole world is filled with God. This is such a magical realization that a true Guru makes us experience in their divine aura. This bhajan is a story of every seeker. It's the journey from bondage to bliss, from ignorance to illumination, from darkness to light. Through the true Guru's grace, we receive true spiritual knowledge, not just words, but as living experiences. It is this knowledge that makes us realize that we were never separate from God. We were never bound. And that the divine that we sought outside is the very essence of our being. God is right within us. When the Guru gives us this wisdom, heaven and earth unite. The soul and God become one. All we need to do is to have that Shraddha, to have that unshakable faith, and to surrender unconditionally. And that's when all boundaries fade, all illusions end, and only love remains. The eternal divine love that sees God within and all around. And in fact, this eternal love of the Guru makes us surrender. if we were to do it on our own, it would never happen, because the ego always acts as an obstacle. Just sitting in that aura dissolves our ego, helps us surrender to the wisdom and unite with God. Let this bhajan always remind us that the true Guru does not merely teach us, but attracts us, inspires us, and transforms us to make us realize our true self. The Guru awakens us to realize that we are one with God. And in that awakening, each one of us becomes the song itself, pure, free, blissful. Stay in bliss every moment, because each one of us are blessed that our true Guru found us and gave us infinite love, such that each one of us became love itself. Mukhe munje Satguru dino sacho gyana, andar bahir har and Ram disa. Mukhe munje Satguru dino sacho gyana, andar bahir har and Ram disa. Mukhe munje kamil dino sacho gyana, andar bahir har and Ram disa. Mukhe munje Satguru सामु विहारे डिनाई मुखे हथड़न जोत इशारो, जीव भाव कड़ी दिखारे आत्म पद प्यारो। मुखे इंसान मां कयो भगवान, अंदर बाहिर हर हंद राम ॾिसां। मुखे मुंहिंज सतगुरु हिक ज्ञान जे ॻोल्हे सां भॻा मुंहिंजा भरम सभई भाई, वियो ज़ात जनम विसरी कटाई कष्ट मुंहिंजा भारी। ज़मीन आसमां मिली वियो जहान, अंदर बाहिर हर हंद राम ॾिसां। मुखे मुंहिंज सतगुरु कृपा करे अवतार भगो बंदी खाने जो तालो आ, व्या अग्या लिखा विसरी याद निरंकार जो नालो आ। दर्दी दुखायल ते कयो एहसान, अंदर बाहिर हर हंद राम ॾिसां। मुखे मुंहिंज सतगुरु ॾिनो सचो ज्ञान, अंदर बाहिर हर हंद राम ॾिसां। मुखे मुंहिंज सतगुरु मुखे मुंहिंज कामिल ॾिनो सचो ज्ञान, अंदर बाहिर हर हंद राम ॾिसां।